Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. In this video here I'm going to show you how to transfer your assets from Kucoin to Binance. Alright, I take it that you have your accounts on both platforms. Now let's get started on how to transfer. Okay, go to assets, main account, deposit and withdraw. Alright, if you find the coin that you want to transfer, you can go from here and withdraw, or type in the name of it in here if you don't see it, for example USDT, and then click withdraw. So as you can see here, there is one thing that I need to mention, is that if you notice here, main account available is 0 USDT, even though I have this amount here. Okay, so what does that mean is that if you go to assets, as you can see, deposit and withdraw, it's on the main account only. All right, and the others doesn't have the ability to do that. So what you need to do is super easy. Just go to this transfer here, click on it, and select, depending on where you have your assets at, what account you've got them on trading or margin, just select it and go. This one is the main account, which is already selected or just selected, and the coin is already selected, or you can just click on it again and put in the coin or the asset that you want to select, and here click on it and it will select the whole amount that you've got of that asset in here, and click confirm, and it will get transferred instantly and without fees, as you can see. Right, now we've got it on the main account. Now we can transfer that. Okay, so that we've done that, right, go to here and continue. Now the next steps is to get the wallet address from the other platform, which is Binance. Right, and to select the network. This is an important thing, to select the same network on both platforms. So you need to check in here and see what networks are available in here, so you can check the other platform and see the available ones in there too. Okay, so you can select the same one on both platforms. All right, as well as checking which one works for you. Why? Because each one of these have a cost or fees for the transaction, so choose the one with lower fees, of course. Okay, so how to know that is just by selecting each one of them. You can see the fees. As for IRC, which is Ethereum's network, has higher gas fees, which is not good. So let's go to the other. TRC with 1 USDT, KCC 0.1 USDT, Algorand same as KCC, EOS with 1 USDT. So as now we've seen, these two are the ones with the lowest fees in here. Okay, so now that we know that we want these, so let's head to the other platform, which is Binance, and see what networks are available and see if we got these two, because they are the lowest fees. All right, head to Binance, go to wallet, fiat and spot, click deposit, here select the coin. On our case here I've selected USDT, but let's say which is I can select it from here, but let's say that you want another coin that you want to transfer. Just type in the name of it in here, for example let's say USDT, and here it appears. Click USDT. Now here are the networks that are available in here. As you can see, there isn't Algorand or KCC, so we need to head back and check the one with the lowest fees in here other than these, and it's TRC, which is Tron, or TRX, also known by those other names. Okay, the one with the lowest fees that you can use is TRC with 1 USDT, and here it is. Okay, click on it and it will give us an address. Okay, copy and head back to here and paste it. So one thing that I need to mention is that it's not always the same scenario. Okay, because depending on what coin that you are trying to transfer. Okay, because depending on the coin you see other networks. These aren't the only networks that are available. They change depending on the coin. For example, you can find all of these and there are more other networks with lower fees than all of these. Okay, so of course you need to choose that one with the lowest fees. And select it on both platforms again, okay, because it's very important to do that. And so that's it. We've pasted the wallet and we've choose TRC20, and now you can type in the amount that you want to transfer manually, or clicking on here and it will select the whole amount you've got of USDT or that coin that you're trying to transfer from your account. In my case it's a low amount, so that's why it doesn't appear in here, but just click like this and it will get filled automatically, and click confirm. Alright, then depending on the options, security options that you have activated, like getting any SMS code and stuff, just put in those and click continue, and transaction will go through. Give it 15 minutes to 20 minutes and it will appear in here, and you will get a notification that your assets have arrived. Okay, then head back to your wallet and via and spot, and there you will find your assets on your account here. Okay, so that's it. It's super easy. I hope you like this explanation here, and please don't forget to subscribe and like for more content like this, and thank you for watching.